Guys, we are still at the Sepang Experience Centre, and we are going to do the kick plate test on the Tiggo 7 and 8. And so what we have here is the cars in our convoy all lined up, and what I am doing is filming it from the outside. So here comes the instructor car, and he has to hit between 30 to 60. Woo! And the kick plate down there will kick his car to the right, and then this is to demonstrate that all the traction controls are working. You know, you brake on all the four wheels individually to try to stabilize the car. So here we go, and we're going to shoot. So this one is car number 1 is the Tiggo 7. Woo! Look at that. Nice. Well, this is actually what happens when the kick plate throws the rear end of the car to the right. The car will basically skid with the rear end trying to overtake the front, going to the right. And what happens is the system will brake the front right hand wheels to try to make the front wheels skid to the right also, and that's how it straightens out the car, and that's how the vehicle stability control and traction controls work together to save you in case you ever have a situation where you're likely to skid off the road. Yeah, and so that prevents the car from going into a spin. Of course, as a driver, you also point in the direction you want to go and steer in that same direction too, and that's called skid correction. So here are some cars that are participating. There are 8 cars here, I think, and you see some of them going through the course. So guys, that's how the kick plate works. Okay, so next I will be driving the car, and we'll see what it's like on the inside.
There'll be 3 levels, low, medium and high. This will be the lowest one.
Okay, so this will be
the you're good to go.
Lowest level. Here we go. Yep. So the kick plate pushed the tail of the car to the right, and we correct by turning the steering to the right. Point where you want to go. Yeah, so that was actually the lowest intensity, and that is already quite intense. Interesting. So this is my first time using the kick plate. So guys, just to recap, we are at the SIC Driving Experience Centre, and we are checking out the kick plate, and we are in the Chery Tiggo 7 PHEV.
Right, car number 3, you're good to go.
Here we go. Woo! That's intense.
Car number 4, your turn.
And this is the last run.
The course is ready.
Okay, here we go. That was the highest intensity, but I was like kind of prepared for it, so it didn't run around so much. Okay guys, so that was the Tiggo 7 PHEV. In the kick plate, it did quite well. Shows that the
Otherwise, you can come back for a car change.
traction control systems all work fine. Kick plate test on the Tiggo 8 PHEV.
Car number 1, when you're ready.
Lower intensity. Alright.
When you're ready, otherwise you can go.
Okay, here we go. 30 to 50 kilometers per hour, and the plate is going to kick us to the right. Okay, so I corrected. Now what was that for? Eugene wave. So how was it? Okay?
Car number 2, you're good to go.
Okay, so they're going to increase the intensity, and when they're ready, they'll tell me to go.
Right, car 4, you're good to go.
Okay, so this is number 2 run, and Here we go. Ready? Go! Okay, I preempted that one. So in life and in driving, if you expect the unexpected,
you're good to go.
you can control it better. So this one, I know it's going to throw my tail to the right, so I'm ready. So the moment it throws it, I correct, and we're done. But of course, the object of this exercise is to show that the traction control systems all will work, and they'll brake on the individual wheels to try to straighten the car out.
Number 2, you're good
Yeah,
to go.
so the system actually works, but as in all systems, your human input is also quite important lah. So you cannot say, I will depend on the system to save my life. Guys, no, that's the wrong attitude, yeah? So when you have systems to help you, always remember that your own input also helps. So it doesn't mean that if you depend 100% on system, you can win Formula 1 race. No, you can't. Alright, so we are going to get in line, and this is the last test for the Tiggo 8. So the Tiggo 8 will suffer a bit more consequences because the car itself is longer. So when it swings,
Uncle West, this is your round number 3, so it's the
highest intensity. Alright.
Just give me one moment. Alright, Uncle West, you're good to go.
Okay, we're good to go. Thank you. And here we go. Highest intensity. Get ready. Go.
And you're lighting up. This is the last run, yeah?
And that's it.
Right, Uncle West, you're done.